By now, you have met ChatGPT and felt what a capable AI assistant can do. In this chapter, I want to introduce you to another one that has quietly become a favorite among serious entrepreneurs. Claude, built by a company called Anthropic. If ChatGPT is the friendly all-rounder everyone meets first, Claude is the thoughtful specialist you bring in when the work gets deeper. Claude is known for three things. First, it writes more naturally than any other AI. It sounds human, not robotic. Second, it can handle very long documents. You can upload an entire book, a full contract, or a 100-page report, and Claude will read it, summarize it, and answer questions about it. Third, it is exceptionally good at analysis and reasoning. Claude also has something called Claude Code. This is a tool that can actually write, edit, and run code for you. You do not need to be a developer. You describe what you want an app or a tool to do in plain English, and Claude Code builds it. For entrepreneurs who want to create custom tools, automate workflows, or build simple apps without hiring a developer, this is a game changer. Here is how to use Claude for your business. Go to claude.ai and create a free account. Start by uploading a long document, like your business plan or a policy manual. Ask Claude to summarize the key points and create an action list. Then try asking Claude to write something in your brand voice, like an email or a blog post. You will notice the writing quality feels more natural than what you may have seen from other AI tools. For Claude Code, you can visit the Anthropic website and explore the options. Even if you have never written a line of code, you can describe what you want, and Claude Code will build it for you. Think of it as having a developer on call 24/7. The key takeaway is this: ChatGPT is your everyday assistant. Claude is your deep thinker. Use ChatGPT for quick tasks, emails, and content. Use Claude when you need deep analysis, long document processing, natural writing, or custom tools. Your action step is simple. Go to claude.ai right now. Create a free account. Upload one long document from your business and ask Claude to summarize it. Notice the difference in quality. See you on the next video.